Maximum productivity. Minimum sound. The silent mechanical switches on this mouse offer a quiet, distraction-free experience when at the office or WFH, while its super durable design lasts for up to 15 million clicks. Experience ultimate portability. The mouse's sleek, subtle form factor fits easily into backpacks and briefcases, allowing maximum productivity and efficiency whether at the office or working from home. Navigation made effortless. Navigate easily with a scroll wheel that can switch between free spin mode when viewing long web pages or documents, tactile mode for precise scrolling, and tilt click for horizontal scrolling. Multitask with a single click. Connect and control up to 4 devices: desktop, laptop, Android tablet and TV screen, while conveniently switching between them without the constant need to pair and unpair. Efficiency at your fingertips. 7 independently programmable buttons enable working faster and smarter. Create shortcuts for creative tools or office programs for greater control and efficiency. Unparalleled wireless freedom. Powered by Razer hyperspeed technology. Keep any workspace looking clean and clutter-free by connecting this mouse and compatible keyboards to the same Razer productivity dongle. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic mouse. I don't usually write reviews, but I had to for this one because I am enjoying this mouse so much. The clicking feels great, and I am hoping it does not diminish with time, but for the moment, it is great. I use it for both gaming and work, and it works great for both. The mouse is plenty fast enough for my reflexes, even in fast twitchy FPS games. My one complaint is that it is not as good on a Bluetooth connection. If your mouse is idle for a moment, the Bluetooth connection will lag noticeably, but this isn't a problem with the dongle plugged in, so I just always play with it plugged in.